Hey, good morning. This is May Valensky with Driving Markets, driving while talking about markets. We're going to keep the morning report down to around about 2.5 to 3 minutes, because longer than that it's just simply too boring. Yesterday the Dow was up all the way up until the last hour of trading, and then there was a massive 700-point range from being up nearly 400 points to down 300 points. Closed down yesterday on the fear of rising interest rates. Remember, I've been saying all along, interest rate cycle has not ended, and you're going to expect more interest rate rises as the year goes on. I'm already calling for interest rates in the US to be around about the 6 to 6.5% by July. Now, what's going to drive that is a couple of things. Number one is wage inflation, and number two, there could be an undercurrent of rising cost of living through commodity prices, food and energy. We haven't seen the end of that. So the fact there's been a couple of blips in the last few months, that's exactly what I'm calling them, blips. So I see interest rate rises and inflation. The market is catching on to that. And also the other factor that could push the market off last night, or push the market down, was that was far too high. It's gone up all the way from the beginning of January to the end of January, massive percentages, and there's no reason or justification why it should be there. So you can expect significant falls going further on, as you're going to have profit taking in the Nasdaq, the S&P and the Dow. The UK yesterday touched 7,900, or just over 7,900, which was 7,947 intraday, to be fair, and it looks like it wanted to push on to 8,000. That is an indication of a sell. US Treasury bond prices, the yield went to 3.68%. Bitcoin came off nearly $1,000 down to 22,900. So you've got a hell of a lot of nervousness out there, especially on the high risk assets. So you can expect more falls, higher inflation and higher interest rates throughout 2023. We haven't seen the end of it. You should prepare yourself for that. You can catch me on TikTok and Instagram. Remember, everything said in this piece is an opinion only. Catch you later.